That's, yeah, ugh, God, ugh. If you're in my generation, I'm certain you are familiar with this.
Give me a break, give me a break, break me off a piece of Kit Kat pop.
Well, today, these ain't gonna be just your normal, average corner store Kit Kats. Ayana had some people at work hand her some Kit Kats from Japan. So I had to use Google Translate to figure out exactly what the flavors were, because I don't speak Japanese. So what I'm gonna do is try one by one and let you know what they taste like and if it's any good at all. It tastes like little sugar wafers, not sugar wafers, but yeah, the little wafer cookies that you get from the store, just covered in white chocolate. It's got a little hint of strawberry, but it's not bad. It's actually pretty good. I'll take this one again. As you can actually see, the texture of it is just like the little candies, the little ones at the store. This one has a green coloring on it. The lemon flavor is very, very strong, but not overwhelming. There's still a little bit of sweetness added to the tartness of the lemon. I like it. I'll rock with it. I don't know how they managed to do these, but
inconceivable!
This one actually has a peach color hue to it. All right, let's try it. That is ridiculous. Tastes like peach knee-high, like for real. That's crazy. All right. 3 for 3 so far. Now we get into ones where either I have no idea what the flavor actually is, or it's something that I really don't like. So we'll go with the ones I don't like first. And that's gonna be got a very ugly green on the front, chocolate on the back. Bottoms up. No. No, matter of fact, hell no. Never. Nope, 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 nope.
No. 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 Hell no. 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 I refuse. No. No.
That's nasty. But these last three, the writing on the package didn't really tell you exactly what flavor it is. I did look up the wording, and it did allude to the fact of being matcha again. So we'll see. Looking like matcha again. Why? 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 Why are we doing green tea? No, stop that. I know it's a different place, different culture, but come on, man. Stop that. The next two, I have no earthly idea what either of these are supposed to taste like. So let's find out together. I hope one of these, fluffy character one, has some strawberry involved. So there may be some strawberry involved in this one. It definitely has a strawberry coloring to it. Strawberry. Good, because, yo, the green tea just had me ready to Earl. It doesn't taste that different from the strawberry cheesecake, so I'm cool with it. You know what it tastes like? Strawberry shortcake cereal from way back in the day. And last but not least, no clue what this is supposed to taste like. I still don't know. I know I don't like it, but it's not green tea. Not as horrible as the green tea. There's 2 strawberries, the lemon, and I think that's it. Yeah. Oh, and the peach. So of the ones that I had, those 4.
Finger licking good special. That's what I'm talking about.
They get 5 out of 5 compasses. The other ones, 1s. No doubt. But anyway, have you ever tried another snack from another country? If so, drop a comment and be sure to hit that like button, click subscribe, help me get out more content, help us grow our channel. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.